rainfall across eastern Kentucky this afternoon caused some creeks and streams to quickly rise out of their banks. Some roads had to be closed after being covered in high water. Garrett Weimer talked to people in Magoffin County who live near a flooded road.
Neighbors here have seen how powerful this water can be.
It gets up big.
And it comes fast.
And it comes fast.
Folks who live along Highway 867 have dealt with high water for the past couple of days now.
There's 3 ways you can get home. I tried to go around Booger and go through that way. It was flooded at the sand bottom too. There ain't no other way of getting in. If we get flooded out up there, we're stuck.
This isn't even as bad as it was on Sunday when floodwaters turned roads and yards here into what looked like an ocean.
Oh, you work all day long when you know the water's coming up to get your stuff put up. Then after all the water's over with, you start taking it back down. It's just a stressful situation.
Folks around here are used to high water. They say on Sunday the entire road was underwater. In fact, the only way in and out was on this trail bridge built for walking, horses, and bike riding. They say on Sunday even cars were driving on it. Howard says the water went down early Monday morning but started rising again in the afternoon. By evening, part of 867 was again completely underwater. But that didn't stop some folks from trying to drive through the high waters.
Yeah, they've been people driving through it. They drive 4-wheelers through it. Crazy.
And as the rain kept falling, neighbors again kept their eyes on the rising water. Garrett Weimer, WYMT Mountain News.
Some people in Letcher County cleaned up today after flooding from last night's storms. On Grassy Fork Road in Jackhorn, the road is covered with water. Some people who live in the area say water made it into their homes. Many of the people who live there were also without power for some time. Now they're cleaning up the damage, and some say it's frustrating.
When you live on a fixed income, you plan your bills from one month to the next. You don't plan on replacing water pipes and sewer pipes and insulation. You don't plan on that stuff, so it sets you back pretty good.
People who live in the area say this was one of the worst storms in terms of damage that they've experienced. They told us they're worried about more rain and the possibility of another storm.